Hey, this is Ty from hisandhermoney.com, where we're teaching you how to have better money, become a better couple, and live a better life. You all, I am so excited to be bringing this to you today. Oh my gosh. I have gotten a lot of comments on some of my videos, as well as like Instagram inboxes and emails. Ty, can you show us how to organize our lives? How do you pretty much balance being a mom, a wife, a business owner, very active in your church and different things like that? How do you do it all? Well, I don't think that I have all the answers, nor do I think that I balance it all, but I will tell you that systems and routines is the way that I run my life. Well, I'm so excited, you guys, because I am going to be taking part in a massive organized online event, and it's totally free. That's right. You can be my guest by grabbing your free ticket by going to hisandhermoney.com/organize HQ. HQ stands for headquarters. So again, that's hisandhermoney.com/organize HQ. You all are going to learn how to meal plan, how to organize your wardrobe, how to declutter. What about handling paper clutter? Also, how do you do a successful schedule or create a successful schedule? And guess what? Us, His and Her Money, my husband and I, we will be sharing with you guys how to handle your finances as a couple, how to get your finances organized as a couple. Again, you guys, it's totally free. It's going to be going down September 14th through the 18th, but you got to grab your free ticket now by going to hisandhermoney.com/organize HQ. Be my guest. You won't be disappointed. It is time, you guys, that we get our lives literally, physically, financially in order, okay? And I can't forget, there's also going to be some information in there about self-care. You all, it's going to be over 70 speakers. Can you believe that? Over 70 speakers that will be bringing their content to you on how to keep your life organized. Don't miss it.